Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon.
So, since ang uban is wala pa, so kamo lang sa akong ikan kay hapit na ato ang klase. So, as you can see, we have here another set of notebooks, ball pens, rulers, whiteboard marker, and whiteboard ink, and also trapal. And this is from Mactan Korea channel.
Mactan Korea channel. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
So, annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon.
So, L1, session 1. So, first session sa L1. Ang 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. class. So, start na mag-toothbrush ng mga plangging. Mahilis na ko na yan kan. Si Kit. Hi, Kit. Asa si Chito. Hi, Chito. Mag-atubang siya sa basurahan. Hi, Gracel. Nag-atubang siya sa kawalan. Kawalan, gawa siya gatubang dara bato di ay. And also Zainab. Nitubag na bang sin? Maragula pa nitubag ang sin. Aritang little Andrea. Hi, little Andrea. Nitubag na bang bato? Ikaw diha, Kit, nitubag na bang sagbot na to dara? Hi, GM. Nitubag na bang tumbler na to dara? So, si Gracel, mana?
Mana.
Okay. And how about Chito? Mana po si Chito. Gipagawas niya iyang mga killer smile. Mga killer smile nila, gipagawasan nila. Smile with confident. Oh, confident kay sila. And how about Zainab? Confident. Oh, confident. Gyapon si Zainab. And GM. Ipagawas ang killer smile with confident. And also Kate and little Andrea. So, pakita ang killer smile. Si Kate. Mo na yung killer smile with confident. Okay. Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, L1, session 2. So, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30. Okay. So, start na magpantutrush mga langga. Kaya hapit na tayo magklase. Okay. Oh, Jindy. Si Bidang. Bidang, nitubag na bang sagbot na to dira? How about si Ashley og si Mark? Gitubag naman ng basurahan. Then si Ana og si Junel. Ba't nang gipantubag na ba ni silahang giapang atubang dirang kawalan, oh? And si Kinshin, tanapod yung nagatubag sin. Itubag ng sin, Kinshin? Di matubag. Umana sila og toothbrush. So, asang mga smile, mga killer smile. Killer smile. Ay. And also Mark. ang Killer Smile ni Mark. And Janelle. And how about Ashley? Okay. So, sige na. Pwede na masuod sa study room kaya mag-start na to sa tong klase. So, anyong haseyo. Good evening, everyone.
안녕하세요. Good evening.
So, L. Liho ka lang. So, L2. So, mag-toothbrush na mo, mga palangging. So, L2 class na sila. Pwede mo ato daplin lang. Para di maglamigas darain ni. Niya. Plywood nagigi ato bang ni Syra. Nito bag na ba diha say?
Oh. Mayroon ako dyan, mga.
Ha?
Pahanga.
Kay inyo na mag-isa pang sagol inyong toothpaste. So, i-wash out na ninyo diha inyong mga bula sa inyong kanha. So, mana sila pang toothbrush. So, humanog toothbrush, ipakita ang mga killer smile. Killer smile ni Tantan. Ni Sheena, ni Giselle. Killer smile. Ay. Ni Jovan. Og ni Rosie Balasi. Okay. So, start na to sa tong klase. Sisod na.
감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this afternoon, our topic is all about matching type. So, you're going to answer on the board the following questions involved. So, inyong i-connect ang correct answer. So, one by one answering the random questions. So, based from our previous topics. Okay, so let's start. For number 1, si Jillian May. Okay, so number 1, Jillian, please read.
It is the class of words that
Category.
category
Where? Continue reading. Where?
where a word belongs according to its function.
Function. Okay, Jillian. So, i-connect na. Asa man ang answer sa number 1? It is the class of words, the category where a word belongs according to its function. Oh, wrong. Ang answer is parts of speech. Okay, so mauna siya itong topic. It's all about parts of speech. Okay, very good. Next, number 2. Okay, Eliza, please read for number 2.
Can be
Classified.
classified into their number.
Okay, so can be classified into their number. It is. So, can be classified into their number. The answer is
Noun.
very good. Noun. Okay, let's have number 3. Okay, Sophia, please answer number 3. So, read sa first.
Divide
Into
two.
2. Okay, so unsa man? So, it is divided into singular and plural noun. Okay, i-connect. Letter A ang answer. Oh, wrong. A ang answer. Singular and plural noun. Pag-use of eraser next time, Sophia. Okay. Next, for number 4. Althea, please read for number 4. Refers.
Refers to one
Person.
person or thing
Okay, person or thing. What is that? One. So, usara daw. Usara ka tao, usa ka butang. It is singular. Letter B. Singular from the word single. Usa, one. Uh-oh. B. Okay. Let's have number 5. Okay, Junmark, please read for number 5.
Refers to two or more persons or things.
Okay, so the answer will be plural. Letter C. Okay, so ang plural means duha or more persons or thing. Okay, let's have number 6. So, Rina, for number 6, please read. Baby. So, what is the plural for baby? Letter D, babies. Okay? Dili loves ha. So, ang baby is lisan ang Y into I and add ES. Okay, so that is the plural for baby. Ano say plural sa baby? Very good. Okay, good job students. You may take your seat, Rina.
Okay, good morning students.
Good morning, Teacher Lucen.
Okay, I have here on the board the different idioms and its meaning. So first we have time flies. So mulupad kuno ang panahon. So ang meaning niya to go by fast. So dali kaayo. Next, hit the sack. So hit the sack to bed. Go to bed. To be in hot water. To be in trouble. To be in the same boat. To be in the same situation. To get cold feet. Namuglaw ko ng mga tiil. To get nervous. On the top of the world. Very happy. Cost an arm and leg. Very expensive. Break a leg.
Good luck.
Good luck. To be down in the dumps.
Very sad.
To add fuel to the fire.
To make something worse.
Okay, very good. To cause a bomb.
To cost a lot of money.
Cut corners.
To do something in the serious or cheapest way.
Add insult injury.
To make bad situation worse.
Spill the beans.
Reveal a secret.
Oh, reveal a secret. Be on the ball.
To do something without special preparation.
Pull someone's leg.
To tease or joke someone.
Play it by ear.
To be quick to understand things.
Piece of cake.
Something is very easy.
To go the extra mile.
To make effort that is expensive by you.
Get one's act together.
To be organized.
Okay. These are mga common ni siya nga idioms nga kasagaran mo ni ginayus nato. So, say maglibog ta. So, mo ni siya ang mga meaning. So, okay?
2 digit by 2 digit, dili. Sige, explain na na ba? Unsa gali ang number 1 rule basta magkuhan, multiplication?
Times 6.
Kung mag-times ka, asa maguna? Sa right, sa left?
Right.
Alright. Asa man ang right, ani? Ang 3 or ang 2? 2. So, atong unahon kay 2 times 6. Pila? 12. Asa i-bring down? Ang 1 or ang 2? 2 ang
Bring down.
bring down. Carry
1.
times 6. 3 times 6 pila?
18.
18. Unsay bring down?
8.
8. Bring down 8. Carry
1.
1. Next is 3 times 2.
6.
Pila?
6.
6. 6 plus 1. 7. Unsa may next ani?
Plus.
Plus. Mag-add ta.
Bring down 2.
Unsay next step?
Bring down 2.
Bring down 2. Next is 5 plus 8.
13.
13. Carry 1.
Bring
down
8.
Pila yung bring down?
3.
3. 8, 3. 3. Okay, okay. 5 plus 8 is 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. Next is 7 plus 1. 8. Napay sunod na. Pila answer? Oh. Nani yung pag-multiplication of 2 digit by 2 digit ha? Sabtan na wala. Isa ang wala kasabot. Sabtan na tanan? Okay. Answer na po.
So, annyeonghaseyo. So, today, pabasahon ta mo ha. Then, I will move the three of you to level 2. Ganahan na mo. So, it's because, ganahan sad ko i-move mo because you have na PEMDAS, no? Sa inyong regular, sa inyong formal school. So, in L1, we don't have PEMDAS. Wala taga-discuss o PEMDAS. So, maglisod mo og cut-on. So, nindot yun nga ma-move mo sa level 2, which is na ay PEMDAS kay para one by one mo og practice, di ba? Okay, so, start with you, Jay Shan, read the story.
Mom's food. Mom cooked a sweet food for breakfast. She also cooked a hot noodle. John, my brother, loves it. Dad loved it too. They got a spoon and eat fast. They didn't talk so long to finish the food.
Okay, sige.
How they loved Mom's food.
Okay, very good.
Mom's cook a sweet food for breakfast. She always cook a hot noodles. John, my brother, loves it. Dad loves it too. They get a spoon and eat. Fast, they didn't talk so long to finish the food. Oh, how they love Mom's food.
Okay, Riniel.
Mom food. Mom cook a sweet food for breakfast. She always cook a hot noodles. John, my brother, love it. Dad love it too. They got a spoon and eat fast. They didn't talk so long to finish the food. Oh no. Oh how they love Mom food.
Okay, so congratulations for me. Pass na mo sa ako ang reading ha. So, start study well. Okay, move na mo sa L2. So, L2 is more on lisod-lisod na ang inyong klase dito. So, hinahinayan ang kiat, especially with Reniel ha. Hinahinayan ang kiat tong ha. Maminaw na ni teacher na in charge L2 ni Teacher Mildred. Okay? Okay, bye for now. Bye. Kamsahamnida.